Okay, guys, I'm sorry that I had to stop that, but we'll just have two videos for this first example, okay? And so Fritz, right at the end of that last example, said that the two in the middle, when we add them together, this gives us 150, and we multiply by 2, and that gives us 300. But I want to show you what the distributive property says. When I have a number outside of the parentheses that's getting multiplied by the stuff inside the parentheses, that multiplication has to get distributed. I can't multiply it just by 90, right? Because that would only be doubling the sleeping bags. I have to multiply it by 60 as well. So to distribute, we do 2 times everything that's in the parentheses. 2 times 90 gives me what, Kai? It'd be 180. Great. Who's got 2 times 60 for me? Justin. 120. Okay? 2 times positive 60 gives me positive 120. And then when I add those together, what do I get? Let me see a hand. Liam. Positive 300. I get the same thing that Fritz had told us that we would get, right? And that's the way I would have done it, Fritz. I would simplify this stuff in here because I can, right? But sometimes I don't know what's in here. Sometimes I might have something like this. And I can't simplify it, right? I can't add x and 60. Okay? So let's just take this other example that I just wrote up here. How would I simplify this one? Right? Because I am simplifying. What would I do? Hobbs, what's the first thing?
You would do 2 times x.
2 times x. Great job, Hobbs. And how do I write that?
2x.
Just 2x. Good. And then, am I done? What do I need to do now, Ethan? What times 60? 2 times 60. Exactly. I have to multiply both of these things by 2. And what do I get when I multiply 2 times 60? Nika? 120. Okay? Now I can't simplify that stuff, right? This one has a variable. This one doesn't. So I can't put them together. Okay? And that's as simple as it gets. I mean, that is as simplified as I can write it. All right? That's what we're going to be practicing with the distributive property. Okay? All right. That's it for this example. Let's look at example number 2.